Assalamu alaikum students. As we are doing our chapter of decimal 2 and chapter number 9, and today's lecture is lecture number 2. After taking your first lecture, I think now you know that it's too easy chapter. Okay? So today's topic is subtracting decimal. It's also same as we do our simple subtraction. Okay, so let's do a question. Subtract 6 and 3 by 3.58. Okay, here you will think that how we will subtract it, because 6 has no decimal in it. You are thinking now, yeah, I know that. So when we have such type of question, when we have to subtract a whole number with a decimal number, okay, then we will write our whole number like this way. Here I write 6 like 6.00. Okay, you can write any whole number in this way. If I have here 7, then I can write 7.00. Okay, you can also write 7.00000. You can write as much zero as you want after decimal. Okay, here I need just 2 zeros, because in other value I just have 2 values after decimal. So I have to balance both number. That's why I just put 2 0 after 6. Okay, as you know, decimal comes below decimal, so we will write down other value in this way. Okay, now we will start our subtraction. As you know, 0 can be subtracted from 8. 8 can be subtracted from 0. No. Okay, so we need to take a carry. As we know, second value is also 0, so we will take carry from 6. When we will take carry from 6, then here will remain 5. Okay, and here the new value will be 10. Okay, when we give carry from 10 to 0, the remaining value will be 9, and here the new value will be 10. Okay, now you can subtract 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Okay, 9 minus 5 will give us 4. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So as we write down the decimal below decimal, so our answer will be 2.42. Now let's take another question to understand it more. Here we have our question. What is the difference between of each pair of numbers? Check if your answers are reasonable. I also told in the fraction that the term difference and subtraction have same meanings. When we have to find out the difference, it also means that we have to subtract the values. Okay, it means now here we have to subtract these values. Okay, so here we have 18.79 and 7.65. Again I have, here we have 2 number before decimal, and here we have 1 number before decimal. So tell me what to do. You should know that now what to do. Very good. As we have to put decimal below decimal, so we will write down 7 below 8. Okay, now simply we will subtract it. 9 minus 5 will give us 4, 7 minus 6 will give us 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, and here we have nothing, so 1 will become as it is. Okay, now the second part is check if your answer are reasonable. So let's do it as our first value is 18.79, which is approximately equal to 19. 7.65 is approximately equal to 8. So 19 minus 8 will give us 11, and our answer is 11.14, which is near to 11. So our answer is reasonable. Okay, hope you enjoyed this lesson and hope you understand it in a very well way, that how we have to do the subtraction of decimals, okay, by keeping in mind the rules of putting decimal. Allah Hafiz.